What's the meaning of carbolic acid? Carbolic acid. Carbolic acid.
Carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. Carbolic acid, also known as phenol, is a toxic, white crystalline substance with a distinct, medicinal odor. It is commonly used in antiseptics, disinfectants, and industrial processes. When carbolic acid comes into contact with living tissue, it can cause severe burns and tissue damage. Ingestion of carbolic acid can be fatal. However, when used appropriately and in controlled settings, carbolic acid can effectively kill bacteria and other microorganisms, making it an important tool in medical and industrial applications.